Hello students, welcome back to my channel English Entry. For the full free course writing in simple present tense, it's lesson number 9. Let me give a short introduction to this course for the new students. This is a place where anybody can practice writing, but only in simple present tense. So far we discussed the structures of simple present tense, uses of simple present tense, and some basic clause elements. Today you are going to practice the same structures you previously learned, such as subject verb object and subject verb complement, and you previously learned about nouns. Nouns can be considered as the largest word class in English language. So there is a lot more to talk about nouns. Today you are going to practice some more categories of nouns using some language items such as proverbs, idioms, and quotations, famous quotations. I selected proverbs, idioms, and famous quotations to practice simple present tense because proverbs and idioms and quotations talk about general truths. Simple present tense also talks about general truths sometimes. So let's get started with today's lesson. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. Nouns can be classified under these broader levels: proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns cannot be further categorized, but there are some subcategories under common nouns. They are such as abstract nouns, concrete nouns, regular nouns, irregular nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and plural nouns, singular nouns, etc. So today you are going to practice only proper nouns and one category under common nouns, that is abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Proper nouns. Let's take a look at proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of specific people, national groups, geographical names, historical periods, places, festivals, religions, calendar items, and racial groups. Let's take a look at each and every items using proverbs, idioms, and quotations. First proverb is, this is Jack, this is Jill. So these are names of people. Here you can see the capital letter because all the proper nouns starting with a capital letter. So the proverb is, every Jack has his Jill. The meaning of this proverb is everybody has a partner in their life. Next, this is a place, this is a city, it's Rome. The first letter is capital because it's a proper noun. All roads lead to Rome. The meaning of this proverb is, we try several methods for something, but the final result always the same. That's why we use all roads lead to Rome. This is a proverb. Next one. This is a name of a water body. It is a river, Thames. The Thames is liquid history. This is a famous quotation. ද්‍රවමය ඉතිහාසයක් තියෙනවා කියලා කියනවා නේද? Thames වලට. Next. This is a building. It is the name of a building, so it is a proper noun. The Eiffel Tower. Starting letters are capital, you can see. I like the Eiffel Tower because it looks like steel and lace. යකඩ වලින් ගෙත්තමක් වගේ කියලා කියනවා. I think මේකත් famous quotation එකක්. Next. Sunday is a calendar item, so starting letter is always capital in a proper noun. Every day is not Sunday. Every day is not Sunday because Sunday is a holiday, it is a free day, but other days are not like that. They are very busy and hectic days, so That's how this proverb came out. Every day is not Sunday. March is also another calendar item. This is a idiom. This is an idiom famous among Europeans. March, in the beginning of the March, the climate is cold, and at the end of the March, the climate is warm. That's why this idiom came out. March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. This is going to be a name of a festival. You can guess it. It's Christmas. Christmas comes but once a year. Everybody likes Christmas, but it comes once a year. When it comes, it brings all the joys and happiness. That's the meaning of this proverb. It's a name of a festival. So let's recall the learned items. Proper nouns are names of people and national groups. We can take examples for national groups such as Sri Lanka, India, names of countries, and geographical names. We talked about it. In historical periods, if we talk about examples, Victorian period, neoclassical period, etc. Places, we talked about it, buildings and places. Any name of a place can be taken as proper noun. Festivals, we talked about it, and also religions, Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, those are religions and items, we talked about it. Racial groups, what are racial groups? Sinhalese, Tamils, Burghers, those are racial groups. So let's move on to the next category, that's common nouns. And under this common nouns, there is one category, that is abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Let's take a look at first concrete nouns. A concrete noun is a naming word for something you can touch, see, taste, gather, smell, hear. Next, this is an apple. You can see it, you can touch it, you can smell it, so it is a concrete noun. This is a doctor. You can see him, you can hear him, you can touch him. So the famous proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Next, this is a tailor, and this is the man. These are concrete nouns. The tailor makes the man. If I talk about the structure of this sentence, the tailor is the noun, it is the subject, makes, verb, and object is the man. Who is made by the tailor? The man. So I have explained these structures in previous lessons, so just watch them and come back to this lesson, then you will understand better. Sorry for my scribbling. Okay. Next, abstract nouns. An abstract noun is a naming word for something you cannot see, touch, see, taste, smell, and hear. You cannot do it, okay? Charity begins at home. Charity is giving. Always giving starting at home. There is a noun suffix here, ity. These noun suffixes make abstract nouns. Here I will explain the structure of the sentence. Subject, charity is the subject, begins verb, at home. There is a preposition, so this is an object of a preposition. And sorry for my bad handwriting. Let's move on to the next one. Beauty lies in lovers' eyes. And here also the subject beauty lies verb. Here there is a preposition, and this is an object of a preposition. Next one. Experience is the mother of wisdom. Here there is a noun suffix encedom. These are noun suffixes, and these noun suffixes makes abstract nouns. Experience is the mother of wisdom. The structure of this sentence is subject. There is a linking verb, so this is a complement. Ah, okay. I can't do it. Okay, sorry. Silence means consent. ENCE. There is another noun suffix. The meaning of this idiom is if you are not going to voice your objection for something, it is assumed that you support it. නිහඬතාවය ඔබේ කැමැත්ත ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා. Cleanliness is next to godliness. NESS is another noun suffix. These noun suffixes make abstract nouns. The structure of this sentence is subject. There is a linking verb, so this is a preposition. This is a preposition. So the structure is a complement of a preposition. Pleasure has a sting in its tail. URE is another noun suffix which makes abstract nouns. The meaning of this proverb is when you are engaging in fun things, fun activities, there can be some unexpected things. There happens some unexpected things. So that's the meaning of this proverb. සතුටින් ඉන්න වෙලාවට සතුට නැති කරන්න සමහර විට හිතන්න දේවල් සිද්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Pleasure has a sting in its tail. Okay, that's all about nouns and today's lesson. So I invite you to find out more proverbs, idioms, and quotations under the categories of proper nouns and concrete nouns and abstract nouns. That's the homework. Visit my page. The link is in the description box. So comment your answers in the comment box. That's all for today. Let's meet from another lesson later. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.